OMG Nation? So on today's episode, I'm up in Murfreesboro. I'm gonna swing into Bumpus Harley Davidson up here in Murfreesboro, see what they have going on. Oh look, they have some sort of ride thing going on. I appreciate that. Thanks, Nails.
You're welcome.
Boy, this is nice.
We got some new lights down the dash on there, so it's going through its check engine with everything. So,
that's a good looking
control,
look.
You got both your ABS for your anti-lock brakes and the traction control system, and it's waiting until it moves to get the sensors, so it recognizes 3 revolutions of the wheel to make sure everything's working. As part of traction control, I can turn it on for a day like today and be running in standard mode. If it was raining, or I know I'm going to be on some really slick roads or something like that, I can turn it on and put it like in a rain mode to make it extra sensitive to throttle input. It's not going to let you spin that rear tire up as you're coming out of a turn and those kinds of things. So kind of, if it starts recognizing, it's going to kind of close off the butterflies in the throttle body. So just kind of bounce it just enough, pull a little power off of it so your tire didn't spin away from it. Same thing, it also has a sensor recognizing if you're leaning. So traction control and link braking has been on all the touring family since Rushmore's came out. So if I stab really hard on front brake, it'll actually apply some rear brake as well and give me some balance to it. Now it also incorporates, if I'm in a lean, it's going to help balance that a little bit better on all your braking as you're going into it. Deceleration, make sure that if you stomp it down in 3rd gear as you're coming in a turn, it's a little hot, it's not going to let that rear tire lock up from deceleration from engine braking either. But the best thing that I found in it that's most useful to me, you ever been on a hill like that?
Yeah.
Trying to hang on to your front brake, spin the gas, and let out the clutch and do all those kinds of things at the same time. So if I'm running, I'm in here, and the bike moves just fine right now. But let's say if I'm on that hill, I can grab hold of that brake real hard, and it's going to set up a parking brake on it, even if I'm on it. I can't move. The bike, the brake block on to keep it from rolling backwards down that hill until I start to let the clutch out and let the gas go.
So basically like a hill assist in a car on an Escalade, it's now on this.
It recognizes as soon as I turn out, got some more momentum, I can move the bike.
That's cool.
But if I'm in gear right there, and even when you squeeze on it, you can feel a little feedback in the brake.
You have to hold it for it to come out.
Feel it kind of bounce back your fingers a little bit. The heel brake's on it right now, so the bike can mark in place.
You got hill assist.
It's not going to roll backwards while I'm trying to let go of the brake and grab the throttle a little bit. But as soon as I start getting in towards the middle of the clutch out, all that stuff turned off. That right there is probably the most useful feature that is a big upgrade from what last year was. Tool pack, lowers, and maybe more. We can say at least 50. Yeah.
So what's that feature's called what now?
RDRS.
Now what does that do?
So,
Also, if you're on a greasy road or a wet road, so that you don't give it too much throttle and spin the rear tire up. Even going through a turn, as you accelerate out of a turn, if it starts trying to spin, it'll recognize it and help you control that rear wheel.
Is that just this model that's got that?
Any of them that has the traction control option on it. It's about
okay.
It's a $9.95 option on
$9.95.
Comes stock on all CVOs. Very close.
That's the deposit.
I moved the decimal place over twice. So with all these traction control things, I was reading on the website, there's 3 or 4 different types of that, or is it all integrated into one?
Integrated into one.
Okay.
So all of them are working. Like I say, the most useful to me, I mean, and you guys, if you're experienced riders, probably the most useful to you would also be that hill brake that you can recognize a dozen times, so that's even been difficult for you. Normally, when you're going up a hill like that, it's going just over the crest of it, you have to take a quick left or right. So if you're having to blast out the throttle because you're rolling backwards, that makes it a very difficult turn, whereas this way I can just gently do it because I know it's not going to roll backwards. That kind of helps with that. Only turn family.
So you got to trade in again, Don.
Yeah. Congratulations.
This is the bike I'm gonna live with forever.
Yeah, but we've all said that
Hey,
2 or
someone
3
mark that
times.
down on the calendar.
Yeah, we've all said that 2 or 3 times.
River Rock?
So they're calling that gray. River Rock gray.
River Rock.
It's got a little moss on it.
River Rock Black.
Okay, it's River Rock.
I don't know if it's my eyes are playing tricks on me, but I see green.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of olive type color in it. Yeah, it's got a little bit more of that. But that bike against all the black without any pinstripes on it almost looks like it's a CVO.
Oh yeah, that's what I thought when I
$10
before I
grand
saw
cheaper
the
than a CVO.
So those were all the 2020 Harleys that rolled off the truck. And Tom Bumpus was nice enough to kind of give us a little bit of an explanation on that new traction control on the 2020s and the I can't remember exactly what he called it offhand, but it's like a hill assist.
You want it in the back?
Huh?
You want it in the back?
Yeah, I'm gonna ride in the back.
You like those itty bitty mirrors?
I hate them.
Oh.
Well, I guess I'm riding up front. That'll work too. drop off right there. I feel like I'm on Pawpaw Springs Road right now, but I'm not for certain. Right there on my floorboard, I dug it in, baby. Some of these turns are so windy, you gotta slow down to about 20 miles an hour.